Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and I've got a quick preview of what's coming up this week and next week on my channel. First of all, if you haven't already hit the subscribe button, go ahead and do that. And while you're at it, hit that like button and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates, including the ones that are coming out this week and next. So this week, I have a special scenery tutorial on how to make super easy and super cheap pine trees and conifers. Now, they're a little bit small, so they work best on N scale, but they can definitely make some great background trees for HO and even O scale if you need to fill out those backgrounds. So you'll definitely not want to miss that. Then next week, I have a very special episode of my channel. Recently, I got to ride on the California Zephyr through the Colorado Rockies, and it was absolutely spectacular. And I'm going to be sharing that with you guys, as well as showing you some places that would be cool to model and some Amtrak operations that I happen to notice along the way to help you run with a more prototypical fashion. So you'll definitely not want to miss that. In addition, a week from today, I also have a very special announcement, so you're definitely not going to want to miss that. So go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of these updates, including the special announcement. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading.